Hey, what is up fam? Welcome back to another brand new video. Just a week ago, I have uploaded a community post on my channel asking you guys about what video should I upload next, and 15% of you guys have asked me to upload a video on mobile optimization. So in this video today, I'll be showing you guys the best and most optimal way to optimize your mobile phone, get the best performance while gaming or doing any other thing. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Also, we are really close to 50k subscribers. 96% of you guys aren't yet subscribed to the channel, or I should say you guys are not a part of my family yet. So consider hitting that red subscribe button down below since it really helps me out a lot. And with all that said, let's roll the intro. Alright, so today I'll be showing you guys the best optimal top 5 methods that you guys can use to optimize your phone on the go. Make sure you guys watch this video till the end and do not skip any part to get better performance. So the mobile I'm going to be using in this video today is an Android device that is LG Wing, and it's pretty sad it is an obsolete device these days. But anyways, coming back to the video, the first thing that you guys need to be doing is removing bloatwares from your device. Now yes, you have heard it right, bloatware. If you have no idea about this, these are just the applications that you guys have got into your phones right from the time you bought it. So you guys can say it's kind of inbuilt applications, but it comes with the company, so you guys can delete it as well. So I highly recommend you guys deleting all of the bloatwares you find on your device. This will increase the performance because most of you guys never use any bloatware applications. So remove them all from your device and that will do the trick. Secondly, I have noticed a lot of you guys have been using the cleaner applications. Cleaner application in sense the RAM optimizer, the battery optimizer, CPU or gaming optimizer, the game optimizers that are available on the Play stores. So all of these applications are fishy and they do not work. They instead consume your storage as well as the running memory of your device. So you guys might have noticed those kind of application where you just tap it once and then the circle it rotates and that broom it just cleans everything on your device. Well, it's all just a scam. It really does nothing. This just deletes the cache files of your device. So instead we have an interesting option over here. So if you guys own any mid-range device, then this will work for you. Just open up your device and then go to settings from the top right section of your screen. Then over here you need to search for Smart Doctor or any interface which is similar to this one. As you guys can see, it is actually the same thing which you download from the Play Store, but this one works because this is a system application. So all you need to do is just click on it, just tap on optimize phone over here. I don't know if you guys can see, so I'll just zoom in a bit, and as you guys can see, it will just calculate everything. It deletes your internal unnecessary files as well as the memory, the applications which are being used in the background, so it stops all of them. As you guys can see, the device is now cleaned. So this does the similar job as those apps that you download from your Play Store, which consumes your space as well as memory while running. So I highly recommend you guys to use this in your device. Next up is enabling the developer options. Developer options are nothing but a part of your Android which is hidden. It's a hidden directory of settings, some settings that can override the basic, the build of Android. So you guys can just do it with the steps right now. So as you guys can see, simply go to your settings and then search for About Phone. In About Phone, you guys have to go here and then click on the build number 5 to 6 times. Once you're done with that, developer options will be enabled right in your device. Now, here are some really important settings in the developer options. You need to find a section which is called drawing, and in there you'll find number of animation scales. All you need to do is set all of them to off. This will remove all sorts of animations from an Android device, allowing it to run much faster and consume less memory. Then go back to your developer option once again and then look for an amazing option which says enable GPU debug layers, and then this option will allow all of the potential applications which can use your GPU. Those applications will dedicatedly use your GPU for performance. Also, a very important thing that a lot of you guys might be aware of or might not be aware of is that almost 80% of the times your storage is occupied with the photos and videos of your device. So there is a very simple way to fix all of this. All you need to do is download OneDrive or Google Drive. These days, these applications are inbuilt onto your device, so you don't have to download them, but make sure to update them on Play Store. Google's official application, which is Photos, which is available on almost every device. So let me just find it. So the symbol of Photos is like this. As you guys can see, it looks like this. Simply open Photos up and you will find in all the photos on your device. These are not just your photos, this is not just your gallery, but this is also the cloud storage of your own or for your own. So basically this works on the principle of the email ID you log into your device, so your device will automatically create a folder on your Google Drive with all of your photos, and you guys can see it right in your device. So that's how it works. So these days, make sure that you shift or transfer all of your photos and videos to your drive. That's how you're going to be saving a lot of storage and memory in your device, and that is really simple way. Like it just takes a while and then it frees up a good chunk of storage on your device, and I find it really useful. Next up is always use Lite apps. If you guys don't know what Lite apps are, I am talking about the heavier apps on your device. I'm talking about apps like Facebook, Instagram. These apps consume a lot of storage as well as memory as well as cache on your device, and a very simple way to fix all that is just go open your Play Store, and in here all you need to do is search for Facebook Lite. Facebook Lite is nothing but application which is made light on your device, and I find these applications very useful, handy and easy. First of all, they are really easy to download. Second of all, they consume less memory. Third of all, they consume less space. And lastly, they don't run in the background. Unlike Facebook, which keeps running in the background, even if you forcefully shut it down, these applications are turned off as soon as you close them. And I find it very useful for battery as well as the storage. So try using the Lite applications. There are Facebook Lite, Instagram Lite and other Lites out there. So switch it to them because they are less storage consuming. Alright guys, so that was it for this video guys. I hope I could have helped you all. If I did, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out a lot because we are really close to 50k subscribers, and I seriously want to see that number on my screen. So hopefully you guys will subscribe to the channel and become a part of the Fox family. We'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, keep watching BareFox, and peace out.